Ahoy there, captains. It's Captain Party Pants here with you once again. Small-ish guns and torps. Let's grind some destroyers today. Let's hop into the old Tier 6 Benson. How about it? I got the old red, white, and blue on her. She's looking neat. I think we're all right. Yeah, sure. And we're loading in. That's wonderful. Okay, I'm on a flank. That's neat. And there's only there's three of us. Nice. I love that. Not as much pressure on me to do well. Good luck. Yep, my AA is off. Okay, let's go knife fight somebody. Who am I over here with? Sweet. Oh man, this is cool. All right, what's going on here? I'm gonna dive for this island. I'm gonna dive into A. Excuse me. It looks like the island's dead center of A cap. What's my torp range? We're gonna knife fight. Okay, that's how it's gonna work out. Oh, I'm breathing hard. I gotta win this flank for the team. I look like an idiot if I lose my flank and the other two destroyers dominate theirs. We're not here to look silly. Oh gosh. Oh man.
Enemy force detected.
Enemy force detected. And there's already a destroyer in cap on the bad guy's side. So let's go check it out. I am playing super aggressive, pushing this cap like this, knowing there's somebody already in here planning their next move. But I think I go this way, and that'll give me a good opportunity with... Oh, who am I spotted? Well, let's pop the engine boost, because somebody's here.
Engine boost activated.
Oh, a Udaki. Or like, you done, ski.
Smoke generator started.
You gonna try to come at me? Take that, buddy. I'm gonna circle back into my smoke. But I need to be careful about that dang old... Yeah. Okay, area captured.
Smoke screen set.
Smoke screen is set. I'm gonna play a bit passive here for the time being. Because my take that, buddy. Somebody felt my wrath out there. Oh man, this is fun. $50 seconds, and I've been spotted again, so they're right here. But they took a torp hit. I still have my engine boost. There you are, Udaki. Is it you I hit with my torpedoes?
Main turret critically damaged.
Yep, you're gonna hopefully lose this one. I think we've won this flank. I think we have. Yeah!
Enemy destroyer blown up. Off to a great start.
First blood. Yes.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Do they get a trade? They get a trade. GG. Yeah, let's get out of there. Oh, GG. Oh, let's play around with some torpedoes next. Oh, what am I doing here? The tier 6 Akatsuki. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. Oh man. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. And we traded, so you know what? That's not a loss for us. Um Gosh. We're loading in. Awesome. Oh, also, I want to plug. Thank you to the followers on Twitch and the subscribers on YouTube. I noticed today we hit the beautiful number 69 subscribers. So that's immortalized. Nice. Okay. I'm a child. Oh, okay. I am the only destroyer on my team. But we have... Okay, so I need to face an uncomfortable fact here that I'm going to get spotted ASAP. That enemy carrier in these tiers knows what they're doing. So they're probably going to dive straight ahead. I'm kind of assuming that their destroyer is spawned opposite me. I mean, that seems fair. There doesn't seem to be much island cover until you hit that big guy over there at sea. But those freaking things aren't going to provide me anything either. So why don't I kind of... Well, I'm going to ride this line. I need to stay afloat, basically. That's the pressure of being the only destroyer on your team. I was just about first blood. I'm gonna pop smoke just because I don't want to take any cheeky shots right away. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get in that smoke. There we go. My AA's off. Good. I don't want this guy to get a cheeky hit on me. Because like I said, you need to fear carrier players at this tier a little bit. Okay. Ooh, somebody spotter plane or fighter plane up there. So we got company. We got company. And I got a torpedo range that's gonna lock eyes with you in a dark alley, and you're not gonna like it. There we go. Okay. And I got a short reload on her. I'm gonna retreat away from that bomber. Turn back in, maybe get a cheeky shot. Oh, I've detected somebody. Okay. Let's search for broadside. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it. He's so broadside. Come on. Come on. Get that reload in there. Come on. Come on. Get it in there. Yes. I don't think I'm gonna get there. Yeah, GG. Yep. I don't know how much help I actually was, but you know what? It's the thought that counts. And I got a cheeky old reload ready, so I'm gonna throw some more torpedoes. How about that? Let's go over here and help out C. It looks like maybe we might be in trouble here in the half sec. I'm just looking at our broadside cruiser friend and that unspotted yet battleship, topside B. I'm looking at my mini-map. I almost exclusively just stare at my mini-map. Oh man, did I just shimmy around to where the carrier's playing? Pretty sure I did that. Nice, nice. That's good. That's sure not gonna hurt. I cut under you, Belarus. Nice ship. Nice ship. Colorado out there now?
Союзники, сфокусировать огонь на цели.
Yep. I don't know if my thing came out or not, but I appreciate you. Okay. It's not good. Oh, but that Atlanta out there is looking rough. I got 3 engine boosts. Let's just do it.
Engine boost 始動.
Jervis. Come here, buddy. I don't know if I'm going to win this fight or not, but we're going to give her heck. We got the ship advantage. I'm not going to let you take down my carrier friend without a fight, buddy. Oh, the intensity. Oh, and some people don't think these games are exciting. Whew. This is white knuckle stuff. There you are, Jervis. Let's see. Let's see about that. Or did my wonky eye just act up on me? Sure did. Sure did. Come on, Jervis. Yep, another whiff. How do I want to play these torpedo throws? Which way do I think they're probably going to go? I don't know. Let's wait for their... I don't know. Just to be safe. Oh, I didn't even need him. Okay. Let's take this cat back.
Engine boost 解除.
I'm coming for you, Colorado. I'm coming for you. You just stop back there? Little carry-on carrier action there. Got her done.
Хорошая работа.
我が軍が優勢になりました。
Must have her in full reverse. And we got a beaching. We got a beaching. Yeah, their guns aren't even going to get turned to me by the time they... Let's just go ahead and... Yeah, look at this. This is so neat. Recenter that. Look at those torps go. Look at them go. Look at them go. I suppose I could just turn that off, you know. Oh, are my torps going to get there? Are my torpedoes gonna find a home before your shots land? Yeah, baby. Oh, come on. Give me that one. Oh, man, that was fun. Towards the bottom, I don't feel like we earned that. Oh, return to port. I had a whale of a time the other day in the Tier 3 French destroyer, since they're releasing that new line here soon. And boy, am I excited about it. Boy, am I excited about it. Oh my gosh. The Barask. Let's go. Let's go. Ow. Yeah. All right. There's two of me now. That's good. Oh, good. Okay, so there's two destroyers in the game. I assume they're spawned the same on the other side, and we got a carrier. So it's really going to come down to luck as to which side that carrier decides to focus. Really hoping for the best. This is going to be sweet. Oh, I forgot to get the good luck out there. Wait till after this. All right. Not a bad torpedo range at this tier, I don't think. Of course, I don't know what I'm doing half the time.
Forces ennemies repérées à l'horizon.
Okay, Cavour at tier 4. I could be wrong about that. I don't know. I could look too, but it's not that important. I'm still going to sink it. Milwaukee. So how do I want to play these torpedoes? Which way are they going? Which way does it look like they're going to go? They're going to turn out. I'm going to keep that line just to be safe. I don't know. That's a tough one. Oh, gosh. And then there's those torpedo planes. Let's hit that engine boost because they're going to spot me. Is my AA off? Okay, well, we'll wait until... yep, they're going to turn. I might get lucky with that.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
I might get lucky with that. That's not good. Hey, got a silly torped. And it caused flooding. I don't want to do this. Well, I've been spotted there. Thank goodness we got that engine boost. Oof. Okay, that carrier isn't focusing me. I wonder. Can I sneak a silly citadel off of you? No, I gotta hit you first. I don't know, I think they're gonna try to turn in actually. I think they're gonna try to pursue me. So let's throw those in that direction. Yeah, let's get out of here. We're losing 1-0. And there's that other destroyer. Wow, those torpedoes are about as slow as they come, huh? Oh, but we might have somebody walk into them regardless. I don't know if they'll probably be out of range. That Cavour is in rough shape. And that carrier player isn't focusing me, which I mean they should be, I feel like. So I'm just gonna turn around and just like try not to act too much a fool.
Boost des moteurs désactivé.
And in 26, 3, 2, 1 seconds, I'm gonna throw some more havoc out there, I think. What you want? What you got? Isakazi! Hello, a new customer. Oh gosh, where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Where'd you go? Where'd you come from? Hi, Joe. I can't count on those torpedoes for nothing because they're slow as all get out. And we have lost this flank officially. I am holding it by myself. I'm trying to avoid being spotted by that bomber. We might maybe get lucky with some torpedoes. Look at how much faster some of these torpedoes are than mine. Yes, nice. Come on, baby. Nope. Shucks. Might slip and slide into the OL column over here. That Cavour has just been hiding back there this whole time. Just, oh, well, I guess not if they got a shot off. Alright, there you are, Isakazi. And I got my torpedoes back. Nice. We're pulling it back a little bit. Let's get this cap. Let's attack from behind. How about that? Ooh, 4-2. 4-2 bad guys. 5-2 bad guys. Yeah, careful where you're gonna get away from me, I think. Somebody has spotted me. Mm-hmm. Nice whiff. I've got the engine boost, so let's do it.
Boost des moteurs activé.
Man, not really helping my case out here. There's a hit. I got a fire started. Nice, and I got some torpedo hits. Hear me roar, guys. Ah! I'm just a little faster than you think I am, aren't I? Oh, I get that a lot.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
I'm gonna concentrate fire on something here in a half jiff. We have won that engagement, ladies and gentlemen. We just faced down a battleship and that destroyer. I'm feeling invincible here. I'm feeling invincible. Come and get me, guys. Come and get me. It's gonna be me against the world here in a half second. I'm gonna get dev struck by some torpedoes. Nevada. Fear me. Out of range. I'm gonna get spotted here anyways, so let's hop that. Let's get that going. Nope. Uh-oh. There you are, Isakazi. There is not a chance. Okay, you're gonna throw some more, aren't you?
L'ennemi a pris l'avantage.
Torpille à tribord.
Meet your doom. Need more of my
L'ennemi
doom.
l'emporter.
I think they might turn out. They're slow anyways. Tiger. Good shot. Good shot. Who did I detect? Who did I detect?
Torpille droit devant.
Ooh. Cavour goes down. Just to get lead in the air for Pete's sake. GG's. GG's. They had me cornered. Oh gosh, well, I probably only get time for one more, so let's hop into another one. That was a pretty good time. Oh, what do we want to grind? What do we not very good at? Oh, baby. Some DDWT action. Yep. Yep. And we're loading in. Dang deep water torps. Ooh. Estuary. 4 destroyers. Perfect. Perfect. Gosh, that sucks. So my torpedoes are going to be shucks. I'm gonna have to basically knife fight through a field of landmines, being the 4 enemy destroyers, to get any throws off with my torpedoes. I'm gonna have to John Wick my way through here.
Action stations.
What's going on, kitten? My cat stopped in front of the TV. Let's see if that becomes a problem. I don't know. You'd think, gosh, don't you have the buttons memorized? Like, no, I genuinely do not. I have to look at it each time. I got an engine boost, Chico engine boost. That's right. Trying to remember, that's right. And then up is my smoke. Okay, up is smoke. Up in smoke. Okay. Trying to remember that for when my cat decides to just lay in front of my buttons.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Big ol' Cali. We begin.
Хорошая работа.
We begin. At least we don't have any crud. I've been spotted. There you are. Oh gosh, a kid.
Enemy destroyer detected.
I got the slowest guns in all of the
Generator
world.
started.
Oh, there's 2 destroyers out here. That's bad news. Let's see how... That, oh my gosh. Deep water. I'm such an idiot. They aren't going to do anything. I just threw deep water torpedoes at a couple of destroyers. Oh, yeah, mistakes. You guys don't want me on your team.
Smoke screen set.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm getting slapped around. This is really bad, actually. How have I still... Oh my gosh. How am I still spotted? Yes. Ah. Escape. Get the heck. Ay, caramba. So now those battleships out there are probably very curious as to how the next few minutes are going to unfold here. They've lost both of their destroyers on their flank. I can only assume... Oh, but it looks like our... Okay, it looks like the mini-maps... We're going to have to win this flank because this is where we're committing all of our forces. It appears.
Engine boost deactivated.
On the beach. Okay. Now that I've been spotted, pop that smoke and hope for the best. Who spotted me now? Escape! Oh, we got some deep water torpedo action! Yeah! Oh, only one on the big Cali. Uh-oh, that's not good. We're winning, but it's a desperate struggle. This New Mexico is going down like a champion. Not even gonna be in torpedo range. Oh, that big Cali must have eaten some torpedoes. With 738 HP left, or whatever. Coming for ya. I'm coming for you guys. They've tied her up. Oh, we pulled her back. Hiding behind that island. For sure, they noticed that there's destroyers in their midst. If I get spotted again, though, I think my luck is going to run out. I think I'm going down. But we shall see. There you are, Big Cali. Everyone keeps... My detectability range seems to be an issue. Ooh, gosh, did I almost get torpedoed by a friendly? That's probably on me. That's probably my fault. Okay. I'm gonna pop that engine boost right there.
Engine boost activated.
Because I fear I'm gonna get spotted. This couldn't have worked out better for us with our deep water torpedoes. I was really a Deborah downtrodden there. In the start when I saw there was 4 destroyers we were gonna have to wrestle with. Gonna miss those anyways. Talking all this big game. Gonna get a solid miss on my deep water torpedoes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. These guys are so nervous. They just hate themselves right now. 15 seconds by and it's your turn. Oh gosh. It's gonna keep going at that pace, maybe not. Turn out maybe a little bit. Yeah. Yep. In there I've been spotted. I'm probably gonna get just one
Smoke
tap by
generator
some of these
started.
guys. I'm not paying attention. Yeah. GG. GG. Oh man. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention there. That's my bad. I should have been stomped on the brakes. You guys remember that time I threw deep water torpedoes at a couple of destroyers? Happens to the best of us. And the most average of us. I think they're going to outrun those. I don't think that's going to be worth a gosh darn. I don't think they could have spotted them by now, though. I don't think they're going to get a hit. I think we're going to... maybe one. Nope, not one. Not one single hit. Beautiful. Some of these torpedoes, if some of these torpedoes start landing, it's going to be GG's real quick. But I threw mine like an idiot a couple of times. So, where's their destroyer at? Uh-oh. Little fort. That's cool. This is pretty interesting. Let's see how this turns out.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Big shot over there.
Ritirata.
Oh, buffoonery. Buffoonery. I'll never live that down. Throwing those deep water torpedoes like that. He's laying it away. I don't know if he could see him. Oh! Overkill on the best day. Nice hit. So now we have map control and a heck of a good player in that destroyer on our side. These two battleships have for the life of them not been able to get out of this corner. Ooh. Benson is a knife fight expert, I think, so we might have a problem here. But I'm not familiar with what's Listwalk. But
La posizione di un bersaglio strategico.
I gotta stop trying to pronounce some of these ship names. I just look dumb.
A tutte le unità.
I think you might win this fight. I think you might win this fight. Yeah. Get him. And the Cali goes down? Come on, yeah. That surely is it. Yeah. Now it's just this guy up here who's just like, gosh, I ain't left this corner my whole life. Oh man, survived by better teammates, that's for sure. Showing some pretty nice broadside. That player's a great shot. We watched it earlier unfold. This Queen Elizabeth just put down that Callie, I think. Haven't seen a shot come in there yet. Good game. Yikes. Towards the bottom. That's kind of where we belong to there. Heck yeah. The Tier 4 Jaguar. Okay, let's see what we got in our free rate here really quick. All right, well, how do we do? 3-1, 3-1. Awesome, friends. On that note, I have been Captain Party Pants. Thank you again to the followers on Twitch and the subscribers on YouTube. You guys are awesome. Yeah, signing out for now.